Hi everyone, this is Dani Hoyo, professional padel coach for more than 7 years and playing padel for almost 15. And today we are gonna work in the balls after the wall. If you are watching this video, I suppose you are struggling with the balls of the wall. And some of my students, they always ask me, okay, Dani, but if I'm feeling comfortable receiving the balls that they are coming from the other side, I don't need to use the wall because I feel comfortable. And I say, okay, I get your point, I understand you, but it's really important to know when we are on the defense, the opponent will be on the attack, and what they are trying to do is try to put us under pressure. They can put us under pressure using the direction of the ball, the depth of the ball, the speed of the ball, and the slice. Sometimes when they are using the speed to put us under pressure, if they play faster to us, for us will be much harder to defend that ball. So what we can do is use the glass. Why? Because if I am defending here and I receive one ball and I have to take it before the glass, before like not using the glass, I will have less time than if the ball bounce, rebounds, and then I hit it. Please, for all tennis players, for all the players who are starting playing padel, and for more advanced players but they don't like to use the glass, please, we need to understand that the glass will be our friend always, not our enemy. If you have the opportunity to play with the wall, will be always more smart than playing when the ball is coming in front of us. Why say this? So if I see one ball coming to me, it's from the point of view of the physics. Okay, I'm not physics, but this is true. When one ball is coming to me, okay, I have to change the direction of the ball and I have to keep the control of the ball, and it's really difficult to do that. Okay, I know that the tennis players that they have been only playing when the ball is coming from the other side will be much easier, but to do this will be always much harder than when the ball is bouncing, rebounding, and the ball has already that direction. So when the ball is coming already there, is going already there, I just need to pass the ball, push the ball a bit, and give the direction, give the just direction, because I don't need to do anything else. So will be always much easier to just push the ball a bit when the ball is coming there and the ball is lighter because it's already going there. So we will win more control with that ball than when the ball is coming here and I feel the pressure. In this ball, we don't feel the pressure. It's much better for us. Remember the physics, please. So please, we are gonna change the mindset and we are gonna play supporting us from the wall. I'm gonna explain this shot in the same way that I learned when I was learning to play padel, and I think you are gonna understand really fast, and then we will analyze the shot part per part. Okay, I always use this storytelling to explain the shot because it's the best way that I know, and usually my students, they remember really easy how to do it. Okay, you know the bulls and the matador in Spain? If you don't know what I mean, the editor will put any photo, please, to show the people what I mean. When the bull is going to the matador and the matador is doing ole, and all the stadium is whoa, is one famous tradition in Spain, and the same here. So when the bull is coming, he's doing whoa. So that's the same that we should do with the ball. Yeah, when we see the ball coming, for example, to our backhand, I'm in the start position, I'm ready here, I will see the ball coming to my backhand. So the first thing that I should do is start, in Spain we say torear the ball, so we will toreate the ball, okay? So we will toreate the ball. So ball coming, we will start toreating the ball, bounce, rebounds. When we see the ball in the correct timing, we will hit. Easy to remember, right? We will do the same from our forehand. So we will say the ball coming, ball coming, ball coming, ball coming. I start following the ball bounce, rebounds. When the ball is in the correct timing, the same. One more ball coming, the ball coming, bounce, rebound, shot. ball coming. I'm really close to the ball. And the same movement that I do with a lot of style going back is the same movement that I will do going forward again to hit the ball. One really important thing when we are toreating the ball, it's when we see the ball coming, it's we need to take one distance with the ball. Let's say we are gonna take these 40 centimeters with the ball. So we will keep this distance with all the way. It's like a magnet, okay? It's like ball coming, boom, 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 and then we shot all the time. It's really important to remember the magnet and to remember to toreating the ball, okay? So ball coming, the same with my backhand, the same with my forehand, the same with bajada. It's the same with all the shots. So to make it simple, ball coming, we start toreating the ball with a style. Bounce, rebounce, following. When the ball is starting going down, that's the correct timing, because in this moment the ball is not heavy, and so if it's not heavy, it's really light, you will have more control. You will get the ball here and we will shot. So we are ready in our position, start position. Okay, I start toreating the ball. Okay, I follow the ball all the way. Nice. Continue. Okay, I like it. Open, and when the ball is in the correct impact point. Okay. And the same with lobs. If I want to do the lob, I will start with my racket down. I will take the good distance. And you cannot see the lobs, but the lobs are perfect. Aye. And the same from our backhand. Yeah, we are ready, we start ready. Okay, I start following the ball, and then with a lot of style. Okay. Let's say we are here, small steps, adjusting out my feet. Yeah, I prepare, I let the ball pass, and when the ball is in the exactly point, okay, quick shot. And the same with lobs. I'm here. I. Yeah, I take the ball as a magnet, and then I shot. And now we will work in this shot part per part. If you are struggling with this shot, most of the time will be because the preparation is not good. Remember, the preparation is the most important part of the shot. Let's say if we start in the start position, the first thing that we should do is at the same time that we open the racket, okay, we will open our legs. It's not like that and then move, and it's not like that and then move. No. In one step, we will do everything. One step, we will do everything. Important, when you see the ball coming, we need to start reading at what age the ball is coming. If we are thinking that the ball is coming at this age, so we will keep the racket up. If we see the ball is coming down, we cannot keep the racket up. We should keep the racket down. So if the ball is coming at this age, racket back. If we see the ball is coming at this age, the racket behind, and if the ball is here, the racket behind all the time. About the impact point, let's say we are ready, waiting the ball in the side position with the racket ready, and we have to impact the ball in front of us, obviously. Once we are in the start position, we should adjust our feet to try to hit the ball in front of us. One of the most common mistakes is to hit the ball behind of us. So we start playing with our wrist and it's not comfortable. So we should, let's say if we were hitting the ball here, we will give one step back and we will hit the ball more comfortable in front of us. Please, about the impact point, we will open a bit the face of the racket in case the ball is below the level of the knee, because we will need to be looking up with the face of the racket to play at least higher of the level of the net. Let's say this ball, and if the ball is bouncing and rebounding higher of the level of the net, so we will be able to attack the ball a bit. But please remember, we are on the defense. Rule number 1 of the defense, we are defending. We don't have to attack from here. So please don't get crazy attacking the balls from the defense. Another important thing about the impact point, okay, it's try to play not only with your arm, play, remember, with chocolate, with cream, your shot. It's try to use all the swing of your body and not only the arm. What happens when we play with your arm? Okay, we get very disaligned, we miss the control, we miss the balance of our body. And no, we should be playing, relax, I still have the control of my body, and then I'm ready for the next ball. I play, and then I still have the balance of my body and the control of my body. Really, really important to, after one shot, to be able to come back to the start position and to be ready to defend the next ball. Because if I get very disaligned, I will be in a bad situation for the next ball. And we will finish, we will end the shot like in the forehand basic. Okay, we will hold the racket at the end, and then we will be able to come back to the start position again. So we will finish, we will keep the control of our body, I will hold the racket again, and I will come back to my position and I will be ready. Okay, same here. Okay, boom, ready again. If you arrived until here, please, thanks so much for watching the video. Thanks so much for support the content that I'm creating for you. And if you have any doubt about this shot, please write in the comments. And I saw some comments saying, okay, please do one video of the volley, bandeja, smash, vibra. Please keep calm. We are gonna cover first of all the videos of the defense. The defense is more important than the attack. If you like the content, please subscribe because you help me a lot to keep creating content. And thanks so much. See you. Bye bye.